Hey nieces and nephews, it's your girl Bad on BB here, and I know you know, well maybe you didn't know, but hitting that like button right away gives me the motivation and gives YouTube the motivation to keep notifying you that I'm putting out the hot content that you want and need, much so like my BoxyCharm unboxings. I know you saw that I just did a dual unboxing for the April and the May 2021 base boxes. I've got the June box here and I know you're wanting to see it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button now if you haven't, and like button so you keep on getting this fire content. So let's see what's in this box. So first, for those of you who may not know what BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service to get the flyest of the flyest premium makeup products and even skincare products, body care products, all in one box. They have levels, they have a premium box, they have a base box like the one I have, and the more you spend, the more premium the box is. I'm just getting the base box now. They send me a free box every month. I don't get paid for this, but y'all know I do keep it true and trill for my nieces and nephews. We're not gonna stop keeping it true because I got a free box. But I do really like all of the BoxyCharm boxes that they give me, and really like they keep sending it to me so I can show it to you guys. For this month's BoxyCharm box, I love the boxes so much. I mean, it makes me feel like Christmas. For a makeup lover, BoxyCharm boxes in the mail, when I get that delivery, I just know that it's Christmas at my door. It's so awesome. So, I always get this little card here and it tells me what's going to be inside the box. But I'm going to read it after I get it because I like to show and tell. Y'all know my speed, okay? So, ooh, I'm loving the packaging. This is an OPV Beauty London Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. This palette, I really like the packaging already. It's sealed up really tight though. I've got fake nails on, so, oh, well, the fake nails did work. So I can get this plastic off. But yes. Ooh. Y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see that. Oh, this is a colorful palette, guys. The OPV Beauty brand, this is something that I'm very new to. I don't know much about OPV Beauty, but they do have like a neutral brown. They've got a black. They've got a couple of little sexy browns and a few like metallic colors. You can go anywhere from neutral to disco with this. Let's see what it hits for. The OPV Beauty palette goes for $40. So this palette alone has already paid for this entire box. If you go and buy this in a store, this is 40 bucks, but this box is like $25 a month. So, I mean, again, BoxyCharm for the win. BoxyCharm for the win. This actually goes with my attire. Oh, and this is a pretty pigmented, they're really nice and buttery. Like, I took a whiff of this orange and look at that. I like it. I'm familiar with this product from NARS. I love this product though. This is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. It's the lip pencil crayon, the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. I am very familiar with this product. I have one somewhere, but I got a pretty red. Ooh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Can you see it? Yeah, these are amazing. Technical difficulty a little bit. But yes. This color is called Mysterious Red, and as you can see, it makes me look extra mysterious or whatever. But also this color, when you have really nice white teeth, which you do if you use the same type of toothpaste I do, I'll leave a link below for all the toothpaste I wear, but I'm very anal about my teeth whitening and how I keep my teeth so nice and white. But when you have a nice red lip, oh my gosh, your lips, your teeth just be on bling when you're out in public, and so the men just be throwing their money at you. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Auntie just gonna tell you what your mama never told you. You cannot listen to me if you want to. But yes, I love this. Ugh. Guys, and when I say NARS, I will blow a bag at the NARS counter going to Nordstrom downtown in Chicago. But this, I'm getting it in a box. Let's see. The NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, it retails for $27. And that's more than just this one box in this BoxyCharm. Like this one BoxyCharm box costs less than this one lip pencil. So that's what I love about BoxyCharm. They're always giving you the most for the least. Next up, I've already opened this box, y'all. I ain't even gonna play because, see, look, you see these fingernails right here? Okay, these fingernails are not made for breaking, trying to open a BoxyCharm box. Y'all be trying to super glue, super wrap some of these products so tight in the box. Like, for real, y'all. What about the girls with the press-ons, okay? And speaking of, look at these. You see them, okay? I will leave the link in the description box below for where I get my press-on nails. But can you believe Amazon? Okay, can you believe that? Okay, like my friend was like, oh my God, did you get your nails done today when we went out for drinks? I'm like, no. We ain't hurting my foot and all the other crazy stuff I had going on this week. I had no time to get my nails done and I had some old press-on sitting there. And I finally popped them on. I was like, wait a minute. I never wore the ombres before, but these are actually hitting. So go ahead and click the link in the description box if you like ombre coffin shaped nails like so, because they do look classy for the pictures and the videos. And you know you can't spell bad and bougie without BB. So your auntie's just gonna tell you what your mama never told you. Back to the matter at hand, we have the Glowdient makeup palette. This is from Touch in Sol, which I'm just getting familiar with the Touch in Sol brand from my last BoxyCharm box because I got this beautiful icy sherbet primer from Touch in Sol in the last box. And it is pretty comparable to me to the Smashbox primer or even like the It Cosmetics primer. I really do like the icy sherbet primer and I'm glad I got it from my BoxyCharm box. That's another thing I love about BoxyCharm. They be putting me on new brands that I never really would have looked at before. So yeah, this looks so beautiful and it's like comparable to my Too Faced Just Peachy Matte palette, like with the gold on the side. Like it's serving you quality. Again, Bad and Bougie, BB. I want products, if I'm gonna spend money on products, that look like I spent money on products. I don't care what's gonna happen to my little Maybelline and my little L'Oreal and my little Wet n Wild after a while. You know what I'm saying? I know it's gonna get grimy over time, but if you're gonna spend, let's see how much this costs. Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette costs $34 and it's a new launch. BoxyCharm put me on that new. Like, if I'm going to spend $34 for a makeup palette, make it look like I spent $34. That's all I'm saying. Humor me. I really didn't know what to expect, okay? But look at this. It is like a beautiful ombre with a mirror at the top. Gorgeous. And I'm not even a big highlighter girl. But, ooh, it's giving me a little Bombia. It's giving me a little Brazilian, you know what I'm saying? Oh, yes. I like it. Glowdient makeup palette. Okay, Touch in Sol, I need you to get in touch with me so we can do our own little dedicated YouTube video or something. You know, collab with me. Have my people look up your people. We'll hook things up. You know what I'm saying? Let's do something like that because Touch in Sol, I'm a believer in your brand now. Like, cause I'm picking up what you're putting down with these two products. Like, you've given me two products through BoxyCharm that I really like. So yeah, let's collab, okay? I'm saying, oh dang, I got a hydrate primer for the face. Okay, I'm not gonna put this on because I already have makeup on, which is why I hate doing my makeup things. I hate doing my unboxings with a full face of makeup sometimes. But let me just swatch this on my hand. This is a Jecca Blac Hydrating Primer, which for dry skin gals like me, this can really, really work. Look at my hydrating primer. Oh. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free. This would be something that I would do primarily, like since it's the summertime, I'm not so dry. I use a mattifying primer so that my makeup lasts longer without me sweating. But in the wintertime, I am in Chicago. You guys know I have super, super dry skin. This is something that a girl like me would definitely need for sure. It comes out white. Oh yeah, but it seems very hydrating. It has a light little sweet smell to it. Interesting. Yeah. If you guys want to see this primer, make sure you follow me on my social media sites, because that's where I really try my beautiful little skincare products. I do it on TikTok. I have over 12K followers there. I do it on Instagram and on my stories on YouTube. So make sure you guys are watching me on social media if you'd like to see me actually try on my skincare products that I get from BoxyCharm, because that's usually where I do that. So the Jecca Blac Hydrate Primer, it is retailing at $20. A moisturizer that's made to help your makeup last longer. That's how this is meant to be. So it's more like a moisturizing primer. It does have a little bit of longevity to it, I could see. I'm curious to see how this will work. I will put this to the test in the winter. If you can last the Chicago winter, Jecca Blac, I'm rocking with you, because I'm psoriasis prone skin. So let's see if you really about that talk. Okay. Last but not least, in my BoxyCharm box, I have the Vava Pink Lash Primer. A lash primer. Now, as bad and bougie as I am, I'm not bougie enough for lash primer. I never prime my lashes. I know. I don't know if I'm crazy or what. Like, Jackie Ina's probably somewhere shaking her head. I don't know, girl. I just haven't reached that level of bougie where I'm putting lash primer on. But I do like to double my mascara. I have a couple of mascaras on. This is, oh my goodness, Luna Magic. It comes out pink, for Christ's sake. Wow. Yes, let's see what Luna Magic is about. Luna Magic retails for $25. It's a new launch product. With just one sweep, this innovating primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. It has a natural wax formula with a creamy texture and a new innovative emulsifier which adds volume and extra length. It's easy to apply and long lasting. Okay. I'll tell you what, Luna Magic. I already got a little bit of mascara on, and I've got that real good. I've got that Tarte Man Eater mascara, which BoxyCharm, thanks for putting me on, boo, because that's the truth. That's the truth, Ruth. That's my favorite mascara so far, the Tarte Man Eater. This Vava Pink, I am going to pair this with my Man Eater mascara, and we really gonna see. Okay, so like I said, check me out on social media, because that's where I like to try my skin products that I don't actually do on here. And I actually have a bigger fan base in those areas too than YouTube. I don't know what's going on. That's why y'all gotta hit me with the likes or something, start sharing my videos or something, because y'all be acting like y'all want to see me try all the products in the world. So the trials actually go on my social media, but this is just like my little unboxing BoxyCharm haul, you know. Again, Luna Magic retails for $25. Same as, I don't know, I got all of these products in this box. And that's pretty amazeballs to me. So again, I'm grateful for BoxyCharm for sending me that and putting me on game. I am grateful for my nieces and my nephews out here watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. There is no community without the you and the I. So make sure that you are leaving questions, comments, and concerns even below in this video in the comments section. I respond to everybody, and check me out on social media, because you know I love hearing from you. So in the meantime, in between time, this is my June BoxyCharm unboxing, and it's your girl Bad Aunt BB, over and out.